Hey everyone, my name is Tom, and these are my partners in crime, Eric, Ron, and Zach, and we're the team behind Money to Burn. We decided to create this app because we wanted a way to leverage quick, simple games and low stakes gambling to make our friends experience negative emotions such as pain and embarrassment. Now, that's just a fancy way of saying that Money to Burn is for degenerate gamblers, and you should never ever launch our app if you're not 100% committed to living life on the edge. Now, let's move over to Eric, who's going to run us through the app real quick.
I feel like taking my friend's money tonight. I think I'll create a game. Yeah, let's do clickbait. Hey, Tom, bet you 5 stacks I can kick your butt in clickbait tonight.
Oh, I'll take you up on that. You know I'll beat you.
All right, meet me in room 7921.
7921. All right, 2 seconds. All right.
There you are. Throw those stacks on the stack.
All right. There they are,
10
in the pot.
Ready to go. All right,
Let's do this. Oh, God. Hold on. There you go. Oh, no.
Yep.
This is hard.
I picked this. I know you're terrible at it.
I hate you.
There we go. Better luck next time, buddy.
And now we're going to go to Ron, who's going to talk about our tech stack.
The front end of our application was built with React Native, while the back end used Firebase real-time database. React Native Game Engine and Matter.js were used for game systems. Since stacks and bragging rights were at stake, we wanted our games to achieve a competitive experience. So, rather than a structured SQL database, we went with Firebase real-time database, a cloud NoSQL database. While learning about this technology, we initially tried using vanilla Firebase operations to interact with our database. We quickly switched to using React Firebase hooks based on its synergy with React to have isolation of state and data to avoid errors with deeply nested hierarchies. Our core game engine starts with a game selector that takes players into a unique waiting room created for each individual or party. After all players ready up, the room automatically pulls everybody to the start of a game. Once this core game engine was completed, our team was able to easily work on separate features of our app, such as betting or game creation. Next is Zach with our first game we created, Clickbait.
Clickbait was a simple concept that would help us wrap our heads around the tech stack we chose to use. It was integral in developing our understanding of Firebase's database integration, as well as making React Native more interactive with the hooks that Ron had mentioned. We then used what we learned with Clickbait and added React Native Game Engine to make a classic game of Snake. Game Engine's game loop works around React's render engine to enable smoother frame rates for games, while still allowing the flexibility to integrate other libraries like Matter.js to handle physics. Asteroid Adventure is a great example of using Matter.js in conjunction with Game Engine to simulate gravity and collisions, making for a more dynamic experience. This is all available in browser as well, but for the sake of interactivity, we opted to go mobile using React Native, which has built-in functionality for the phone's sensors, like the gyroscope and camera, which we wanted to use in our games. For example, Asteroid Adventure game moves your ship in response to the direction that your phone is tilted. To be sure we could play with anyone, whether they were Android fanboys or Apple diehards, we used React Native elements to apply universal styling that appears the same on each OS. Now I'll pass it off to Eric, who will play us out.
Our app was designed to be highly modular and scalable. After building out the base functionality, team members were able to break off and design games they felt passionate about and easily link them to the app. Some new features we'd like to add include the ability to make game playlists and track game stats like high scores. Of course, we'd like to add some new games as well. Do you have a game you'd like to see on Money to Burn? Please reach out and let us know. In the meantime, you can check out our code at GitHub. Thanks so much for joining us today. It's been a pleasure sharing Money to Burn with you. We hope to see you in one of our game rooms soon.